Hello, landlords and property managers across India. From Mumbai's monsoon-prone neighborhoods and Delhi's seasonal showers to Bengaluru's tree-lined rental properties and Hyderabad's expanding housing zones. One structural element that often goes unnoticed yet plays a decisive role in property protection is the gutter and downspout system. In this video, we present a complete and practical guide to gutter and downspout maintenance tailored to Indian rental housing, with its heavy rainfall, varied architectural styles, and multi-unit buildings. By the end, you will have a clear, actionable maintenance plan to prevent water damage, reduce tenant complaints, and safeguard your building's long-term value. Let's begin. 1. The protective function of gutters and downspouts. Before planning cleaning or repair tasks, it is important to understand how gutters and downspouts protect your rental property. These drainage components work together to capture rainwater from the roof and guide it safely away from the building. When functioning correctly, water flows along the roof edge into the gutter channel and exits through the downspout, preventing moisture from reaching walls or foundations. If they fail, the consequences can include overflow to eaves, damp walls, mold growth, weakened structures, damaged landscaping, and, in severe cases, flooding of lower levels. Effective gutter and downspout maintenance is therefore a key part of responsible property management. 2. Defining landlord and tenant responsibilities. In Indian rental property management, drainage systems such as gutters and downspouts typically fall under landlord responsibility because they form part of the property's structural integrity. To avoid confusion, your tenancy agreement should clearly state that the landlord is responsible for gutter and downspout maintenance, while the tenant must promptly report blocked gutters, visible overflow, sagging pipes, or water accumulation. This clarity prevents disputes, encourages timely reporting, and ensures smooth execution of your maintenance obligations. 3. Creating an inspection and cleaning routine. Like roofs, plumbing, and HVAC systems, gutters require a predictable inspection and cleaning schedule. A twice-yearly routine suits most Indian rental properties, once before or after monsoon and once after leaf fall or prior to storm-heavy months. During inspection, look for sagging gutters, loose brackets, rust, displaced downspouts, pooling at the foundation, and signs of overflow during rainfall. Consistent inspections help catch small issues early, reducing the risk of major repairs and supporting long-term asset protection. 4. Ensuring blockage-free water flow. Many drainage problems arise simply from accumulated debris. Leaves, twigs, moss, nest remnants, and dust can obstruct the gutter channel or downspout shaft. Keeping these pathways clear ensures water moves smoothly through the system and away from the building. Pay special attention to the downspout exit point, ensuring that water flows several meters from the foundation. A clear flow path helps prevent seepage, structural weakening, and expensive foundation repairs. 5. Checking downspout exit points and ground drainage. A clean downspout is effective only when the water is directed away from the structure. Landlords often overlook the importance of ground drainage and soil slope around the property. The soil should naturally guide water away from the building's footprint. If the slope directs water back toward the foundation, even a perfectly maintained gutter system may fail. Ensuring correct slope and drainage protects against long-term moisture damage and preserves structural integrity. 6. Repairing or replacing damaged drainage components. Regular cleaning and inspection inevitably reveal wear and tear. You may notice sagging gutters, brackets detaching from fascia boards, leaks at joints, rusted sections, or dented downspouts. Addressing these issues promptly is vital. 4. Multi-unit rentals. Early intervention prevents widespread damage to shared structures and avoids escalation of tenant complaints. Keep accurate maintenance records and repair histories to support budgeting and long-term planning. 7. Upgrading systems for long-term efficiency. Once your gutter system is performing reliably, consider upgrades that reduce long-term maintenance. Gutter guards or leaf screens help limit debris accumulation and improve water flow consistency. Seamless aluminum gutters are another popular upgrade among landlords, offering fewer joints and reduced leakage risk. These improvements support better drainage performance, lower upkeep costs, and improve durability, contributing to more predictable maintenance cycles. 8. Educating tenants and encouraging timely reporting. Tenants play a valuable role in keeping your drainage system functioning well. While the landlord handles structural maintenance, tenants can alert you early to visible water overflow, stains on exterior walls, mold development, sagging fascia boards, or water pooling near the foundation. Including these expectations during move-in orientation promotes early reporting and helps you act before signs of water damage become serious. 9. Keeping a digital log of maintenance and repairs. Detailed digital records strengthen your property management framework. Document inspection dates, cleaning cycles, contractor communication, repairs undertaken, and recurring issues. These records demonstrate due diligence during disputes, help identify patterns such as repeated blockages in specific sections, and support annual maintenance planning. A well-organized digital log enhances property value and contributes to a transparent management process. 10. Preparing for monsoon, storms, and extreme weather. Indian rental properties often face intense monsoon rains, sudden storms, or seasonal hail, all of which challenge gutter and downspout performance. Before heavy weather, inspect exterior drainage, clear gutters and downspouts, check water flow direction, and ensure that no overhanging branches threaten the roof or drainage channels. These seasonal checks greatly reduce the chance of emergency repairs and help protect both structure and tenants. Bonus tip: budgeting for drainage maintenance and long-term ROI. While landlords routinely budget for paint, flooring, roofing, and HVAC systems, gutters and downspouts are often overlooked. Adding them as a fixed line in your annual budget ensures they receive regular attention. Well-maintained drainage enhances property value, reduces liability, and improves tenant satisfaction. Treat gutter and downspout upkeep not as optional cleaning, but as essential protection for your building envelope. Thank you for watching. If you own or manage rental properties in India and want more practical guidance on property maintenance and asset protection, please like this video, share it with fellow landlords, and subscribe for more tips from SANGAU. We specialize in full-service property management, including exterior maintenance, tenant support, digital documentation, and emergency coordination. Share your questions or maintenance experiences in the comments. We'd be happy to help you stay ahead of the next monsoon.